Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Adewigbe Isaac Pamilani from DBT Concepts. So, in today's video, I will show you how to convert airtime to cash. The reason why I made this video is that a lot of people have been texting me that I should make a video on how to convert airtime to cash because in our latest script, so these features is included. So that is the reason I made this video. If this is the first time you came across our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I drop another wonderful video like this. So if you are a returning viewer, please do well to like, comment and share with your family and friends. And if you know that you have not turned on the notification bell, please do well to turn on the notification bell. So let's get into the training. The reason why I made this video is that a lot of people have been texting me that I should make video on how to convert airtime to cash. So that is the reason I made this video for you guys to understand better. So I will drop the link to this platform in my description below. So let's get started. Click on get started. This is where you will now register with them. So this is where you put in your information, enter your full name, enter your preferred username, enter your valid email address, enter your phone number, enter your valid WhatsApp number, and select your state of origin. Do you understand? Input your password and confirm your password, and input your transaction PIN. I think understand now. Click on what? Click on sign up. So I don't want to start doing that because I have account with them already. So let me just log into my dashboard now. Remember me. Let me click on remember me. Click on sign up. What happened? Okay, let me do it again. Alright, this is my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Let me just show you how to convert it to cash. Can you see now? Just click on what? Convert airtime to cash. I click on it. So before you do anything here, please read what this policy, few policy. Can you see? Make sure you read all this thing from A to Z before you start doing any transaction with this platform. I think you understand now. So let's start from the top. Can you see what they wrote here? Before you fill form to convert airtime to cash, kindly note this condition below. Important: airtime sent without filling the form transfer form will not be credited. Can you see now? Airtime sent without filling this airtime transfer form will not be credited. Fill the form below correctly for airtime to cash. Second, the minimum amount is 500 naira and the maximum is 500 naira. For Glo is 1000 naira maximum per transfer. If you want to send PIN, please load it on any MTN SIM and transfer to us. I think you understand now. You must send the airtime within 20 minutes or the transaction will be automatically cancelled. Can you see now? To transfer MTN airtime, use this code. This is the code you will use. Just follow the this information before you do anything. To change MTN transfer PIN, this is the code you will use. So just read it and understand and do the same. To transfer Net Mobile, this is the code. To change Net Mobile transfer PIN, that is what you will use. To transfer Glo, that is what you will use. So to transfer airtime, can you see now? That is what you will use. Okay, take note. Okay, for MTN, your wallet will be credited with 85%. I think you understand now. 85%. Assuming you send, okay, I think they wrote it there. So let's just read. For Glo, 85%. For 9 Mobile is 75% of the amount of airtime sent. Can you see now? So take note, for instance, for MTN, 1000 airtime, which is 850, is equal to 850, because that means if you send 1000 naira airtime to this platform, they will credit you with 850. I think you understand now. They will credit you with 850. Glo is also 850. 9 Mobile is 750. Will be credited. I think you understand now. You must not send any amount different from the amount fee. The voter shall be charged 15% extra. I think you understand. Airtime sent from another line different from the one you use when you fill shall be credited with 15% extra charge. I think you understand now. We accept airtime transfer only. So can you see now? We accept airtime transfer only. Any VTU sent to us will not be credited to your wallet. I think you understand now. Always take a screenshot of the response you get after transfer the amounts in airtime for proof. Always ensure an airtime to cash dispute is resolved before sending another airtime to us. If not, this pending dispute will be disregarded. Hope this is understandable. Okay. I think you understand what they mean here. So that is that on that. So this is where you now select file. So MTN is 85%. Put in the number you want to transfer the airtime from to this platform. So put in the amounts you want to transfer and click on what? Click on submit. Simple as that. Nothing more again. So after that, within 20 minutes, they will now credit you. So this is where you will put in your account details. Can you see now? This is where you will now put in your account details. So add account details. I think you understand now. This is where you put in your account details. So put in your bank. Let me just use one bank as an example. Okay, let me use, I think PalmPay is there. Okay, Paycom. This is PalmPay. This is OPay. This is PalmPay. So let me just use one as an example. Let me use PalmPay. Let me put in my phone number. Put in phone number. That is where they will now credit you after successfully transfer to them. Within 20 minutes, they will transfer the money to your account. Okay, let me 8063098060908058 and put in your transaction PIN just like that. Simple as that. I think you understand now. After that, the bank will now show here. So let's proceed. So another platform you can use, because this one they normally accept transfer, they don't accept code, they don't accept PIN. I think you understand now. So the another platform you can also use is Mascawa Sub. Let me go to Mascawa Sub. Where is Mascawa Sub? Okay, let me log in. So let me log into Mascawa Sub. Okay, it's loading. So this is Mascawa Sub. So what you have to do is that just go down, 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 go down. Okay. Airtime. Okay, this is airtime to cash. Click on airtime to cash. Okay, this is airtime to cash. So select network, MTN. Oh, sorry, this is not This is not what I supposed to press. Let me just go back a little. Okay, airtime to cash. I click on airtime to cash. So let me select network, MTN. Okay, this is where you now put in the PIN, that your card PIN. This one accepts PIN. I think you understand now. This platform accept PIN. Just put in the PIN, put in the amount of the PIN. So if it is 500 naira, put 500 naira. Check if you want to use it to fund wallet, yes, transfer to bank below. So I think it's now understand now. Check if you want to use it to fund wallet. If you want them to fund your wallet, so this is where you will press. So if you want them to fund your your bank, so you don't need to check on this. So can you see now, 500 naira, they deduct 15 naira as their what? As their charges. So you now put in your bank name. So let me show you where you will put in your bank. So they will now send the money directly to your bank account. Where is the, okay, I think it's setting. So this is where you will now put in your bank details. Select bank, just locate your bank. UBA, First Bank, Wema Bank, Heritage, Polaris, Stanbic, Sterling, Union Bank, and so on and so forth. So put your account name, put account number, and so, and then proceed. After you proceed, so we now see your account number there. Oh, my phone is full. Okay. After proceed, so you will now see your words. After you add the account number, you will now see it here. You see it here. So you will now see it, your account details here. So after that, click on what? Click on proceed. So after you have already put all the details here, click on proceed. That is that. So thank you for watching my video. I'm Aderibigbe Isaac once again. So do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Like I said earlier, please, please, and please. God bless you as you do so. Today, see you guys in my next video. Thank you. God bless you.